In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Neet 2026 full guide. Cracking Neet in 2026 is a new ballgame. With optional questions removed, all 180 are mandatory, so you can't afford weak spots. Think of ChatGPT as your 24/7 tutor to master NCERT, sharpen logic, and match the latest exam pattern. Here's how to use it smartly and consistently. Start by turning NCERT paragraphs into high-yield practice. Statement-based and assertion reasoning items decide ranks now. Take a tricky paragraph from your digital NCERT, paste it into ChatGPT, and use Act as an expert NTA paper setter. Based on this text, generate 3 highly confusing assertion reason questions and 3 multi-statement type questions following the exact NEET 2026 difficulty level. Do not show the answers until I ask. Attempt them first, then ask for the answers and detailed explanations. If something feels off, ask for justification line by line with references back to the original paragraph. Next, tackle tough physics and physical chemistry. Numericals by demanding concepts, not shortcuts. Paste your question and prompt. Solve this numerical step by step. Break down the core physical principle being tested first. List the formulas used. Explain why we apply them here. And highlight common calculation traps students fall into with this specific type of problem. Compare the solution to your approach. Check units and ask for an alternative method if time saving matters. For memory-heavy topics, build custom active recall mnemonics. If Krebs cycle steps or plant morphological modifications won't stick, try. I am struggling to remember the exact sequence of steps in the Krebs cycle, or the specific examples of morphological modifications in plants. Create a catchy, funny, and easy to remember mnemonic statement using common everyday words to help me memorize this sequence flawlessly. Test yourself without looking, then have ChatGPT quiz you in random order to deepen retention. When biology pathways feel overwhelming, ask for a clean causal map. Use explain the mechanism of DNA replication or the countercurrent mechanism in the kidney sequentially. Use simple, non-textbook language and format it as a numbered chain reaction where step A directly triggers step B. Read it once, sketch the flow, and then retell it from memory to ensure understanding over rote learning. Finally, build rapid 20-minute revision sheets before mocks. Prompt: give me a high-density single-page summary of electrostatics or coordination compounds. Focus entirely on critical formulas, exceptional case rules, high-weightage NCERT concepts, and a rapid checklist of what I must review before opening a mock exam paper. Save these, annotate weak points, and revisit them with spaced repetition. Using ChatGPT this way turns passive reading into active, high-retention learning that compounds daily. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.